Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something. Have you ever said this? I understand English, but I cannot speak. Sound familiar? Yes? You are not alone. Here is a fun fact. Most English learners know many words, but they feel silent. Very silent. I was like that too. Many years ago. I knew grammar. I knew rules. But my mouth? Closed. One day, I went to a cafe. A tourist asked me something simple. Where is the bus stop? I knew the answer. In my head. But my mouth froze. I smiled. I pointed. I said nothing. I felt bad. Very bad. That day changed me. I said, enough. I will start again. From zero. Slow. Simple. And guess what? It worked. Today, I will share that plan. A very easy plan. From zero to confident. Stay with me. Listen till the end. And please, like, share, subscribe. Okay? Let's begin. Today's topic is simple. Start English from zero to confident. Why does this matter? Because confidence changes everything. English is not magic. It is a skill. Like walking, like cooking, like riding a bike. You were not born confident. You learned it. English is the same. You do not need talent. You do not need perfect grammar. You need a plan. A clear plan. An easy plan. A human plan. I will show you how. Step by step. Slowly. Clearly. You ready? Good. Let's go. Main idea. Confidence comes from small actions. Here is the big idea. Very important. Confidence comes from action. Small action. Every day. Not from books, not from rules, not from fear. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls. Again. And again. Does the baby stop? No. The baby tries. Smiles. Falls again. English is the same. You fall. You make mistakes. You feel shy. That is okay. Very okay. Mistakes mean progress. Silence means fear. So today, we choose progress. Step-by-step plan. Easy and clear. Now let me give you a simple plan. 5 steps. Very easy. Very powerful. Step 1. Start with sounds, not grammar. Many learners start wrong. They start with grammar. Big mistake. Grammar is heavy. Sounds are light. English is a sound language. So first, listen. Listen every day. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Listen to slow English, simple English, friendly English. For example, short podcasts, easy videos, children's stories. Do not understand everything? No problem. Just listen. Let your ear learn. Like music. You enjoy music first. You understand lyrics later. Right? Real-life example. You listen while cooking. You listen while walking. No stress. Just sound. Just rhythm. Okay? Step 2. Speak alone. First, this is very important. Very important. Speak alone. Yes. Alone. Talk to yourself. At home. In your room. Why? Because no fear. Say simple things. Very simple. I wake up. I drink tea. I go outside. Say it loud. Clear voice. You feel silly? Good. That means you try. Confidence grows here. In private. Real-life example. You wake up. You say, "Good morning. I feel okay." Simple. Easy. Do this daily. Step 3. Use the same sentences. Again and again. Do not chase new words. Repeat old ones. Repetition builds confidence. Use one sentence all day. For example, I like this. I don't like this. Use it everywhere. Food? I like this. Movie? I don't like this. Simple. This is power. Real-life example. You eat rice. You say, I like this. You watch TV. You say, I don't like this. English becomes natural. Step 4. Learn chunks, not single words. Single words are weak. Chunks are strong. Chunks are small phrases. For example, how are you? Nice to meet you. Can you help me? Do not change them. Just use them. Native speakers do this. You should too. Real-life example. You meet someone. You say, nice to meet you. No grammar thinking. Just flow. Good, right? Step 5. Use English in real life every day. This is the final step. Very important. Use English daily. Tiny use, small use. Write one sentence. Speak one sentence. Message yourself. Record your voice. English needs air. Like fire. No air? Fire dies. No use? English dies. So use it. Progress milestones. What will happen? Now, let me show you progress. Real progress. After one day, you feel hope. You feel light. English feels possible. You say, I can do this. Good feeling. After 1 week, you understand more sounds. Your mouth moves easier. You speak faster. Less fear. You smile more. After 1 month, big change. You speak without thinking too much. You make mistakes, but you don't stop. You feel confident. You feel proud. And I feel proud of you. Motivation. English is a friend, not a judge. Let me tell you something very important. English is not a judge. It is a friend. English will not shout. It will not laugh. People laugh, not language. So don't fear English. Fear silence. Think of English like a gym. You go weak. You leave strong. Every word is a push-up. Some days are hard. Some days are easy. But you go. You show up. That is success. You don't need fast results. You need daily action. Small steps. Every day. You've got this. Practical, daily life use. Now let's make this real. Morning. Say 1 sentence. I feel good. Afternoon. Listen 5 minutes. Evening. Speak alone. 2 minutes. Before sleep, say, today was good. That's it. No stress, no pressure, just English. Every day. Let's recap. Very short. Listen first. Speak alone. Repeat sentences. Learn chunks. Use English daily. Simple. Clear. Powerful. My friend, you can do this. English is not for smart people only. It is for brave people. You are brave. You are here. You are listening. That is the first win. Listen again if you need. Repeat this episode. Share it with a friend. Help someone else. Start. This is Henry from Confident English Cast. I believe in you. Always. See you next time. Bye-bye.